Hi, this is Dubiss Forex Academy. Wow, it has been a long time. We have a weekly analysis. Well, we are so sorry that our weekly analysis have not been coming, but we are resuming in earnest this time around. And we also want to appreciate those that have been reaching out to us and be asking for weekly analysis. That means that this weekly analysis is making sense, as in is helpful for those of you that are reaching out to us, meaning that you value this weekly analysis. So going forward, we are going to be having a weekly analysis again. For those of you that have been making use of weekly analysis without commenting, without saying anything, without even reaching out to us, well, you need to change. So we want people to watch this weekly analysis, comment, and then let's have your feedback in the comment section. Let's have your feedback so that we know that you are getting something for our weekly analysis. All right. So for those of you that this is your first time of joining or watching our weekly analysis, we are saying that you should subscribe to this channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Ensure you turn on the notification button, and then you need to like this video and analysis so that we continue to bring it to you. All right. So let's start with XAUUSD. We are going to analyze some pairs. We are going to show you what has happened, the way we are trading now. Some pairs we've analyzed and made 700, 800, even 1,000 pips. We are going to show you and then let you know the right way of how to trade now based on the market condition, top-down analysis, smart money concept. There are a lot of concepts, a lot of strategies we have deployed, and it's really working very good for us. So let's start with XAUUSD. XAUUSD was making highs for, we all know what has happened in gold. Gold break all-time high, but currently gold is around 2.5 as we speak right now. So it has been trying to break further up, and you can see that it has been limited. It has been somehow consolidating since gold made this new high. Let's drop a line here so that you see where gold touched. Gold touched around 2,530, and then since then it has been below 2,530. It has been trying to go down. I saw a harmonic pattern, and we started selling gold, though we bought later, but we started selling gold since 1 week to 2 weeks now. Since 2 weeks now, we've been selling gold and we're making good profit, 250 pips. So, but I've been trading gold with caution based on the tension in the Middle East. So, but be that as it may, technically speaking, gold should correct better. We should have a good correction. What has happened here, if you measure from here to here, you see that this correction on Fibonacci level is not really, it has not gotten to 61.8. all right, so I'm expecting gold to still somehow grind down by today. Anything it could make high, because gold have moved, was sold yesterday. Look at any day you see gold sold, you see a bullish move, sold, bullish move, sold for 2 days. So today it may also buy today. That's what we have been seeing. So but on generally speaking, I think even if gold buy today, I'm still seeing gold at least making a good retracement. So let's measure and see where we are looking at for. At the moment, this is where we are looking at. You can see this movement from this low to this high. This is where it is right now, is at 23.6, which is not a good retracement. We regard 38.2 as a proper shallow retracement, and then 50.0, and then 61.8. So until I see gold around 61.8, if I'm buying gold, I'll be buying with caution. Today, gold may buy today, but we have to buy with caution. Although there is a fundamental today, we'll come back and look at that fundamental. There's a fundamental today on US dollar, so it can affect gold. So trade with care. So but let's go to GBP USD, at least the one that you can get entry points right now. We have been selling GBP/USD. Let me show you how many pips. I will also drop our I will also go to we'll go to our Telegram channel. You see where we drop it. We even drop it on free group so that people can see. So we have actually made 160 pips. All right, from this top here. What we normally do is we identify key levels, we identify liquidity zone, right, and then we give direction. So we have identified all the liquidity zone, and this is the, if you shrink this, you will see that this current zone is a strong supply zone. It's a strong supply zone. Look at it. Each time price touch there, goes down. So when price touch here, remember what we call top-down analysis. You go to higher time frame, you shrink, you try to see, look into future and see where price most likely will be going to. So from this, you can see that, look at the price action that gave us a good, when this made this high, based on this harmonic, I told them to sell because it's on key level, on supply zone. And then this price, this particular one, actually confirmed this, which is a tweezer. This is a tweezer candle. So which let us know that this movement is hotter. This bullish movement is hotter at the moment. And we entered with full force. This particular candle retests this, which is like 50% of this movement, retest it, and it was rejected. It moved down, followed by this. So we will see more movement downwards on GBP/USD. So the bearish movements have started. So, right. So for those of you that are looking for where to exit, you look at, draw your Fibonacci, right? You look at 61.8, all right. But this one we measured from this harmonic pattern X, A, B, C, D. This is the D leg. So we are looking for D leg. When you measure from X to A, the D leg maximum that we expect the price to turn is 161.8. So from between 127 to 161.8, price is expected to turn. So this price actually got exactly at 161.8, and we are on the trade. We have made 160 pips. Let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD, same thing on Euro USD. And on Euro USD, you can look at the supply zone here. We were also waiting for price. I told them that from this point price will go down because harmonic pattern have already confirmed. If price push up more, look at where it will touch, and from here it will go down. Price actually went down from exactly where, when I analyzed this pair and I dropped it on the group, it was exactly from there price went down. So let's check and see how many pips we have made from Euro USD. All right, the same 160 something pips we have made on Euro USD. So GBP/USD 160 something pips we have made on these two pairs. Okay, 160 pips. That's over 320 pips from these two pairs. So we are still anticipating price to go down more, all right, to move down more. Look at the same thing, XA, measure from XA, B, C, the D leg 161. You can see where it touched, which is exactly at 161.8. That was where Euro USD turned. Okay, so let's go to GBP/USD. For for Euro GBP. For Euro GBP, last time we bought Euro GBP from this point and we made a very good profit. That trade stayed. We started buying this trade from this point. It went up, come down here from here. You can see how many days we stayed. If you use Control Y to see, this is daily. So for complete 2 months, 2 months before price move, and then I told them that from this point price will fall because this is key level where we have identified supply zone. I don't want to go into details of change of character, other blocks. If I go into that to go down to lower time frame, this analysis can get to 1 hour or even more, and that is why this is just like a summary. We give you the direction based on the key levels that we've already identified, based on the supply and demand zone, or you call it liquidity zone, or accumulation and distribution zone. So those are the things we have already identified them based on smart money concepts, and then we are just giving you the direction for you to know the direction of the market so that you can trade in that direction and make good profits. So right now you can see that GBP, Euro GBP from exactly this block is where it turned, which is also a liquidity zone, and it turned and fell up to this point. So if we identify here, if we come back here and then check this zone, you will see that this zone is actually in operation as well. This is zone now, so we expect this price to continue to move higher. All right, once again, price to go up again. It could go and now form something like W shape. So we're expecting price to continue to move up on Euro GBP. For those of you that want to trade Euro GBP, I'm not on the trade anywhere. You can trade it. It's a buy trade, and we expect it to move higher as well. So for NZD-USD, all right, you can see NZD-USD. All right, for NZD-USD, you can see when we identified this zone, we sold NZD-USD. This is what has been happening. These are trade, the direction I've been telling people, that you look at something like W shape. Price always, when you go to chart pattern, all right, you see that price is always making N or W shape or M shape. M shape, N shape, W shape, right? So now, this is a layman for those of us that don't even know how to analyze market. Just take this very, 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 very simple way of looking at price. Now look at the W shape, and now if you want to go down now, let me open more. You see, we identify this particular place, and when price was here, we sold up to this point and identify here, say this is a buy zone, and we started buying. We made good profit on this pair. Let me use our last analysis, which is still on our group, pay group, Dubiss Forex Academy. Go there, you see it. This is over 400 pips made from this movement upwards. All right, at this point, we said that price will fall, and we send it on our group for people to sell. All right, and even with the sell, we are still believing that it could sell up to this point, and here rejected, and then move to still try to touch here, because price have not reached this particular high. All right, so sorry, price have not really touched this high. All right, because you need to also touch this high. But meanwhile, currently, we look at what price action is telling us. You can see that price is falling. Once this place is broken and retested, one price break it very well back, break here back very well, all right, and then retest it as, and then it's being rejected, then we'll see more, another movement again back down. This is exactly what could happen. So you need to watch. This is not a right place for you to sell at the moment, except those that joined us when we started selling, when he made this high. When he made this high, I was rejected, we started selling. And we have also made, remember our TP1 is anything from 50 pips. So this is like 100 pips already. So this is like TP2, 100 pips already hit. So you can't join this trade at this point, except you wait for another structure. When it broke, come down, retest it as a resistance. Once it closes below this structure, respect it, and then we can now enter for a drive downwards. So at the moment, we need to wait for those of us that did not take that trade that time. So on USD card, for USD card, all right, we started selling. You can see all those things are still there. Let me delete them. When we started selling from all these points, we made good profits. All these sales, we send that time, all of them work. We have been selling or buy depending on what we see. We send the signal, and also even the free analysis we are sending to the free group. So right now, we sold USD card and we made a very good profit. From these points, we sold from this particular structure here, and you can see the movement. This is over 400 pips. At the moment now, we know that there is a big one down very here, but where it is now is a demand zone, and price, we started buying. We've already sent it to the pay group, and it have already hit our TP. We started buying from this zone, and this is 90 pips made already from this buy. So we still believe that price will still go further up. All right, back to this zone here. So just look at the analysis. Go back on the chart as well. Dubiss Forex Academy on Telegram. I will show you after this analysis. So we'll go there and see them together. So let's go to GBCHF. For GBCHF, this pair also gave us a very good profit. Remember when we sold GBCHF from this structure here, all right, from this supply zone, liquidity zone, we sold up to this zone, which is almost 880 pips. 880 pips. From here again, we started buying. You can go back and check. We are still on that buy. We started buying from this point, and this is 450 pips also bought from this particular point. This is awesome. This is how trade. This is how we are to trade. For those of you that are always looking for entry point every day, you just go, you take small, you run away. Sir, you need to be patient when it comes to trading. Just get the right entry point and stay. So when we got this entry point, those that stayed, look at the money profit we have made. Over 450 pips. So here, what I'm seeing here is this particular place now. Remember, we have already identified here. So it's a key level. So you can see what price is doing here now. It's consolidating. After this consolidation, as far as price is above this particular structure here, then we know that it's going to go further up, right? If after this consolidation and it's up, then it's to go back up to this point. So that is for GBCHF. All right. So let's go to USDCHF. USDCHF. All right. USDCHF. We're already buying USDCHF. We're already buying USDCHF. And what are we seeing? Let's shrink it so that I see what we are seeing on. Look at it. Even though USDCHF is bearish when you go to higher time frame, all right, but you can see that this block here where the price have touched, and then this is a demand zone, right? And then that was why we started buying USDCHF. And as we speak now, it have hit our TP1 going to TP2. Let's measure and see how many pips we have made from this pair. You can see this over 100 pips on this pair. So there was a fundamental, their CPI was today, and it was 0.0. So CHF will be weak today. So meaning that USDCHF will buy more today. CHF JPY will sell more. And then GBCHF will buy. So that is for today. And you can see it's still moving towards that direction, USDCHF. So we are expecting this pair to move all the way. These are analysis. So we believe that is to move all the way up. So this is USDCHF. So let's watch and see how it plays out. But we already collected 100 pips. For those of you that are on the trade, please move your stop loss to entry point. Then for GBPJPY, let's go to higher time frame. On daily time frame, remember that this pair, when it was making high, okay, let's go to monthly, because I remember I analyzed this pair and told you what we think. Let's see if what we dropped before is still playing. Remember when I show you this harmonic, and then this is a harmonic pattern, this is a monthly time frame. So, and I remember that I said this pair may as well be on its way even to this high here. So those ones have been removed even up to this high here. All right, but I told you that because it has been moving, look at it, there's no good retracement, that we should expect retracement anytime, either from this structure here, or you could try to make a high before it fall. Then coming down to weekly, when price, we actually make good profit from this pair. Then you can see the price action that brought this pair down, and then you can see the price action also that is taking it up at the moment. But when you go to daily, we saw that this retracement, that this price may eventually start to continue to go down. We started selling this pair yesterday. We entered the sell yesterday. The first trade hit TP1 and went back. Second trade, as we speak now, have hit TP2 and it's still moving down forward to hit even TP3. So, but this was sent only on paid group. We didn't send it on free group, right? So that is it for GBP JPY. We still believe that price will still go down more. CHF JPY, we send it on our paid group. Yeah, I don't think we didn't send it on the free group. So now I'm telling you now, for those of you that want to join the trade have just hit TP1 and it has not hit TP2, but we believe that it will go down more. So you can see the harmonic pattern that is playing out here, and we believe that it will go down more, all right, for this CHF JPY. Fundamentally, CHF is weak today because of the CPI that was negative, so it's not good for CHF, so it will go down more. And then technically, we're also seeing harmonics, and there is to go down more. So USD JPY, all right, I will show you the analysis we've already done on lower time frame and sent for a sell. Already is on the Telegram group, free Telegram group, Dubiss Forex Academy on Telegram. But I will show you. But if you want to, for those of us that want to know the big direction of this pair, you can look at it, and as we shrink it and see what is happening on this pair. In fact, let me just go and show you the one that will drop on the free group, and then you follow suit. So for Euro NZD, these ones are the ones we drop even on the free group. Go there, is there. Follow analysis, and then be patient and make money. We sold from this point. There was when the thing make this flash, boom, it was rejected, and from here still the price still moved down based on our analysis and went down, and we made over from here. At least we started selling from here, and it made, look at it, over 800 pips. And this over 800 pips, so after the 800 pips, we said that price, we actually, of course, should bounce. Look at the second entry. The second entry was when it hit here, and we move up to this point. From there also, it fall down up to here. All right. So now, where the price is, you can look at it. This price is bouncing from here, but if you look at it, because 61.8 was broken and price is actually trying to retest it, if here hold, then price will still go further, at least to touch this place. All right, but as it is now, there is no entry point here. So if for those of you that did not join the trade, if you miss the trade have made over 800 pips. So we need to now look at and see if this 61.8 will be respected very well, and before we look at more movement downward. So it's something that you need to go to lower time frame and then check if you will see based on smart money concept to get entry point. But at the moment, there is no trade on Euro NZD currently. Same thing with Euro AUD. Euro AUD, these were the ones we sent before. So just go and look at it. We even started from here. And then this is 900 pips plus almost 1000 pips on this pair. It did well. So look at, I will show you when it was sent so that you know that all these ones we just analyze now that you need to follow it and make money. Look at this one again. This, remember we had 2 entry from here and then from this place also. So from the second entry point, you can see it, price made over 800 pips, look at it, over 600 pips was made from GBP AUD as well. So same thing, GBP NZD. GBP NZD, you can see the permanent patterns now that is playing out that for this buy. But let's look at when we send it, it was here and we say price will go down, TP1, TP2, TP3. It has hit all the TPs and this is over 800 pips. Over 800 pips, GBP NZD. Euro card, for Euro card as well. Euro card, remember we dropped when there was this price action rejected. Look at, so that you understand that all these things works. So when we analyze pairs like this, you need to be patient to wait. Look at it, price action. When we had this price action, from here we first made first profits. When we first dropped this, we are here, and it didn't get to all the TPs, but it made profit from here. We made over 100 pips before price went back. When price went back, prayed this, and then there was a price action, and I said that it will still fall based on this price action, and it fall. Look at it, when the price action, when it didn't happen from this particular one, you can see over 170 pips, and then you can see another price action again. See another price action again on this particular place now is another price action. So this price action that is here now, look at another price action on this candle, and then from there what happened? Price moved down again from this price action. Bam. This is over 200 pips. This particular one was sent, we send it on our free group also, Euro card, and it's still there, and we are still on the trade. So trading is patient. Don't rush into market and rush out. Finally, GBP card. GBP card, let me shrink and show you. Or you see that all these things, look at this rising wedge that has been playing out. I'm still waiting when price will eventually break all these things and fall massively. But at the moment, we take it step by step. So it didn't go to this particular line we draw here. From here, remember, look at it. I dropped them, and it's still there. Those analysis. Look at this tweezer candle. From here, we sold. It came back, went make another up again. From there to price fall. We made good profit on GBP card, and currently we are still on the trade. When we made a high again, we send it and it's still running. Look at it. This latest one now is over 120 pips. So when we send all those signals, these are look at the over 160 pips. So when we send all those signals on the group, these are the things. This is how we analyze the market. And then there are other things that I may not say here, because if I want to say all of them word to word, and this analysis will be too long. We just want to see how we can maintain within 30 minutes, and then so that we can show you the direction of the market, and then show you where we identify our key levels. Then you need to follow suit and trade and make money. So let's just go to fundamentals and look at fundamentals. Let's start. We normally like to use Forex Factory, though you can also see another one. This is FX Street, all right? You can also see FX Street, but I like to use Forex Factory. So Forex Factory, you can see Forex Factory. We have CHF, CPI, and you can see the news, the outcome, and that's why CHF is going down today. We also have ISIM today for USD. So that until the news come out, we'll know. If this news come out negative, gold we buy, all right? But if it come out positive, then gold will now fall. So we need to look at what will eventually happen on ISIM, and that is GBP, USD. What will happen to this ISIM manufacturing PMI? So we wait until when the news come out. So look at, just go to Forex Factory and then look at the red folders. Look at the red folders and click on the folders and see the previous, and then you see the forecast, and then you wait for the actual. The actual will now tell you where the job, where the price will eventually go. For card, there will be news on rates, BOC, overnight rates, and also the JOLTS job openings. These are very high impact news. Please trade with care for card pairs. All right, CAD pairs, trade with caution. So tomorrow, Wednesday, there's going to be high impact news. The same thing with dollar, US dollar, ADP, non-farm employment change. So the same Wednesday and Thursday, and we'll have this in here, PMI. So, and then, of course, the big one, and that is NFP. So this week is NFP. So there's going to be high volatility. We are going to try and see, we'll trade this trade. We'll try and see if we can go live for NFP this week. We'll try and see if we can go live so that people can trade with us and make money. So let's wait and see how the whole thing goes this week. More especially on Friday is a big day. All right, but follow the technical we have done, and then we just come to fundamentals, and then if we are technically right, fundamental will eventually confirm it. So this is it. So finally, let's go to our Telegram channel. Let me show you. So you can see our free Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. So join Dubiss Forex Academy. You can follow us Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Telegram here. Dubiss Forex Academy, even TikTok. All right, go there, search for Dubiss Forex Academy. All right, so look at the trades. Like I said, if you go there, you see most of this I mentioned are already there. We send it. All right, look at the gold setup, over 250 pips made. We sent it. Go there and look at it. Look at other block liquidity. You can see them. Euro USD, the one we sent, and it has been moving down. Look at it. GP USD. We talked about GP USD. Look at when it was sent. The one I told you that it has made over 160 pips. So look at it. The same thing, Euro USD. Look at it. It has made over 160 pips as well. So it was sent here. So those results are not fake. Look at it. NZUSD, when we send NZUSD, all right? When we buy, look at it from our buy zone, we made profits, all right? You can see all the trades. This is also good when it was sent, and it's still going. Go there and see all of them. So let me just show you the one of Euro NZD. Let me move and GBP NZD, all those NZD pairs for you to see when it was sent. Look at, just go and scroll and see it for yourself. I don't want to stay more than 35 minutes on this. So just go there and scroll and see, all right? And see when it was sent. You see what we are making. Go there and see them. Look at the NZUSD I showed you when it was sent, and it bounced from there. The one that made over 400, look at it, and it moved. If you click here, you see when it was sent. Look at when it was sent, when it has not moved. When it was going down, we saw a harmonic and we said it to move up, and it moved up and made over 400 pips. All right, you can see GBP also. Look at it when we sent GBP AUD. Two scenarios that it could fall from here and then it could go up from here, it fall, and it fall down. Look at it. Look at it. GBP AUD, and we made over 800 pips. All right. Euro card. Look at it also. Euro card. Look at the first one. All of them. Look at GBP NZD. GBP NZD did not make any move at all. It started from there. Right now it has moved more than 800 pips and it hit all the TPs. So it's there. You can also see our paid group. We have paid group. These are paid group, all right, where we drop the signals. Okay, so see the GP USD, I told you that we are GP JPY, we told you we are selling, and you can see it has hit our TPs, USD card, all of them, all the trades. Look at the one we send, even CHF JPY, I told you we are selling. Look at them, is there in our paid group. When you click any of them, it's showing when it was sent, and then it's going. So these are our paid group. We also have special group. For those of you that want to join and you have $1,000 and above, you can join our special group. So we want to stop here. We don't want this video to be very long. We want to stop here. So this is how we roll. All right. If you want to join our peer group, just reach me at Dubiss One. You join our peer group. All right. I want to say a big shout out to our broker FX Pro. All right. If you don't have an account with FX Pro, open with our broker FX Pro. Just check on this link on this video we are making now. You see the link for FX Pro. Register. You can also go to our Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy, and join our broker. Register and have a valid account, and then you can start the journey of trading using our analysis, using our signals. You can make good profit. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Next week we are coming up with analysis as well, so wait for us on Monday for another weekly analysis. Thank you very much for watching, and make sure you comment and share this video. Cheers guys. Bye everyone.